My TikTok money. A lot of you are new on TikTok, but you don't know how to withdraw your money right here on TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to be showing how you can withdraw your TikTok money. Like some of you are new on TikTok, and then you made money on your TikTok account. You've made money. It's either you're using an international account or you're using your Nigeria account or you're using any like the country that you're from. But the majority of creators use the UK or the USA TikTok account so that their money can come in pounds, their money can come in dollar because some of the if you're using a UK account, you're opportune to many monetization program on the TikTok account. So that's why a lot of creators go for the UK account. So if you're a content creator, you're a skit maker, you do content that fetches you money, it is wise that you use a UK account. So I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from your TikTok account. So this is going to be a theoretical part of it because I did a practical part of it. So you guys can refer to the last video that I made. I see a lot of people that video have really helped, and a lot of people have come here and they told me to show them how to actually withdraw their money. So this video is going to be just short, just a four minutes video. So you guys, let's dive into this. It's not going to be a tutorial, so I'm just going to be telling you all the ads that you need to withdraw your TikTok money. So you need the number one on the list, you need your TikTok account, and then you know how you've made your money on TikTok. There's so many monetization options when you're using the UK account because I use the UK TikTok account. So I am opportunity to use the TikTok shop for creator. I'm opportunity to use the life reward, the creator marketplace. There are several options. There are several monetization options just for you to choose the ones that works for you so you can use that particular one. So the number one app that you have to download is the Grey app. It's spelled as Grey, Grey. It's called the Grey app. Yes, Grey. So you want to go to your app store or your play store, you download the Grey app, you make sure that you register very, very well. Register. Once you register, you do your KYC. Make sure that you're using your government issued ID card. So if you're using in Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria, you can use your NIN, you can use your voters card. You can use your voters card, you can use your NIN to register your Grey bank account so you can get the pounds account. So if you're using the TikTok, if you're using if you're using the UK TikTok account, your money, the UK symbol currency is the pounds. So you're going to open a pounds account. So if you're using a USA account, you're going to be using the dollar. Yes, and I'm sure you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So I just want this video to be very short. I don't want to bore you guys. So you want to make sure that you open your pounds account. So if you're using the USA, you open a dollar account. So since we're talking about the UK one, you're going to open a pounds account. And then when you finish opening your pounds account, you're going to go over to TikTok to link it. Yes. So the Grey is going to provide you with a pounds account. So you go over to TikTok and link it. That is, you're trying to withdraw. So when you go to the option of withdraw, it's going to bring us an option of add payment method. So you're going to put in that payment method. You're going to copy your pounds account and impute it onto TikTok. So when you impute it, it's going to take you to an option of withdraw. So it's going to ask you which amount are you withdrawing. You're going to put in the amount that you're withdrawing. If you want to withdraw all of the money that you've made, and make sure that if you're withdrawing on TikTok, you might have made $9 and above, because if you're using the option of bank transfer, you're going to be withdrawing from $9 and above. You cannot withdraw less than. It's only when you're using a PayPal that you can withdraw less than $9. But for a bank transfer method of withdrawal, you're going to be withdrawing $9 and above. Yeah, so that is how you withdraw your money. So if you don't want to also use the Grey app, I say a lot of people use Payoneer. Payoneer is very, very easy. But then on Payoneer, your money has to get up to $50 before you can pull it out from Payoneer. But on TikTok, you can pull out as $5, $4. But then you have to accumulate your money up to $50 before you can withdraw it on Payoneer. If you're an impatient person like me, so you should go for Grey and withdraw your money. So you cannot wait for your money to accumulate to $50 to use the Payoneer. You can just make use of the Grey option of withdrawal to withdraw your money on TikTok. Is the Wise. I see a lot of people say they use Wise. Wise is almost the same thing as it offers virtual bank account just as Grey. I've not used Wise before, so I cannot say about it, but I make use of Grey, and Grey is almost best. Once you withdraw your money, you're going to be seeing your money in minutes. Like sometimes I'm just overwhelmed on how fast the money comes through. So guys, make sure that you download your Grey account today. Download the Grey app today. Download Payoneer. Then download your TikTok, and let's start making the content creation money, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm bringing you premium content just like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again.